Alright.
Oh.
I love you.
Mwah. I love you too, baby.
Alright.
Be safe.
Will do.
Okay.
I love you, sweetheart. Alright, so tomorrow I will be FaceTiming her from our brand new house. I'm excited. I've waited for this for a very long time. So, I don't exactly know how we're gonna do the vlog while we're gone, or while I'm gone and we're separated, but we'll figure this out. I think today you'll probably come along with me. And now for probably the most dangerous turn of the trip. No cars, no cars, no cars, no cars. Alright, I didn't take out Dad's mailbox. Trip's off with a success. Yep, that's pretty much been my view the entire trip. This road trip is so painfully slow. That's all. Alright. I'm not going to look at you guys too much because it's not really safe, but I just want to check in. I'm having my glorious dinner, a ham and cheese Lunchable, and I got enough Red Bull to disqualify a racehorse. So, sun's going down. Trip has been slow. According to Google Maps, I am about 2.5 hours behind schedule. Means I won't get to Denver until midnight. On that note, I'm pretty much all out of podcasts. No bueno. So I think it'll be all right though. With the sun going down, I think I might have to switch from audiobooks and podcasts to full-blown late 90s hardcore music. Just to keep the eyeballs open. But yeah, I'll let you go. I'm just talking to you now just because you're the only person to talk to. But, just got my room in that good old Trinidad, Colorado. Things got a little worse, so gonna stay the night. Alright, so it's about 5 in the morning. I don't know if you can tell, but my veneers fell off, so teeth aren't looking fantastic. Not feeling super great about myself right now. But yeah, gonna hit the road. Hopefully today's a better day. Finally got my gloves and my sweatshirt out of the truck, so I feel a little bit more prepared. And let's see how it goes. This is the view for this morning.